Hi everyone. Today I'm going to share with you the experience I had when I did bungee jumping in New Zealand and how by working with fear we can overcome it. I hope you enjoy it. So the place you're seeing is called Quarau Bridge Bungee. It's about 25 minutes north of Queenstown, which is one of the adventure capitals in south of New Zealand. It's about 43 meters high, which means you're in the air for about 2 to 3 seconds. Pretty scary for someone who hasn't done it before. So here I am, very sheepishly walking. I don't want to do this, and I'm thinking to myself, what the heck was I thinking? So I'm holding my head in my hands and I just can't hear what he's saying, but at least I'm smiling. But I don't know how to do this. And you can see here he's trying to cajole me into it.
Here we go, Ravina. Okay, you got to be positive. You got to get out there and do it. It's a good challenge here. It's a little bit of fear. Just got to get out there for a minute. Then forward towards the bridge. Here we go. Looking up. Look up, Ravina. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, you weren't going to go there, were you?
He could count all he liked. I was just not gonna do it. So I don't know about it. I'm trying to muster all the courage, but I just can't. And he was very patient with me. As you can see, he doesn't lose it and he keeps trying to explain things to me. And now my rational mind kicks in. If I understand the bungee, maybe I can just do it. But to no avail, I'm still standing and I still haven't jumped. But I'm smiling, so that's a good sign. And I'm getting more and more ready, and I really want you to hear what happens next. Yes, that was it. That was the fear in my voice. Here's my jump again, just without that much screaming. Yay! I overcame my fear. No matter how hard it was, but I actually did it. And you know what? The more times I can do it, the more times my brain gets the message that it's okay to overcome fears. And even though it feels bad, it's not that bad. So you can try this too. You can pick an activity that you're afraid of, but not too much, and then see what happens. See how you overcome your fears and how you can change your life.